Gain ratio is another attribute selection measure. It attempts to overcome the bias of information gain towards tests with many outcomes. So a kind of normalization is applied. So look at this here, split info AD. You're trying to split the partition D on attribute A. So you compute this as the given summation over all the categories. So J equal to 1, 2, 3 are the categories. Dj is the number of data points in category J. And so this is computed. So gain ratio is the ratio of gain with respect to split info AD. And we want to select the attribute with maximum gain ratio. So we take an example. This has been taken from this book mentioned here, Data Mining Concepts and Techniques. So this has 14 tuples. This data set has 14 tuples. And now we look at this category age, attribute age. 5 tuples are in the category less than equal to 30, 4 in the category 31 to 40, and 5 in greater than 40. So first we compute the info of B because there are 9 yes and 5 no tuples. So we get this info as 0.940 bits. Then we compute the info age D, that is splitting on age. So we have the first category with 5 tuples and in which there are 2 yeses and 3 nos. All these details we have discussed in the previous video. I'll give the link in description. So we get this as 0.694 bits. So the gain on age is info D minus this info A, so 0.246. Now we compute split info age, which comes to 1.5774 by putting in the values in the formulae, and the gain ratio age is 0.156. For the attribute income, we likewise compute split info and the gain ratio comes out to be 0.031. So we see how using this gain ratio we can compute the values for different attributes and choose the one for having the highest gain ratio value. Thank you.